Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a different unboxing. We're going to unbox the newest vehicle for Hitters Underground Raceway. And here it is. The Losi Micro-T. So I'm not sure, but I think this is one of the first ones in Canada. I haven't seen any other videos on it. So let's do a quick unboxing. Show it out, and then maybe later on I'll charge up the battery and then take it for a run on the RCP track. So this is just going to be an alternative. Hopefully we're going to get a little bit of a following and run the Micro-Ts and the Micro-Bs, and we'll see how people like it. Underneath, got the transmitter, batteries for the transmitter, tool set, sticker, instruction manual. We won't need those right now. Charger. So USB-C comes with an adapter, USB-C to USB-A to connect to the battery. This is the Spectrum SLT2 transmitter. Pretty simple, but it does what you need, especially if you want to run this in like a box stock. It's perfect. Low entry cost. Comes with everything you need to go. You got your battery for the transmitter, battery for the car, charger. Awesome. And let's see here. There we have it, the Losi Micro-T. Let's put this aside here. So the Micro-T, it has a flip-top design, so you can just flip it open. It has the Velcro to attach the body. It has a little hinge system at the back here. You got your 65 turn brushed motor with your 2S 350, I believe, or 380 C milliamp battery. We can check that in a second here. Got the battery out. Release the lever on the side, let's slide it out, and it is 350 milliamp 2S. Slides right in. Put the lever down, tuck this away. Back up here and there. There you have it. His oil-filled shocks, might have to just double check, make sure they're all topped up equally. We'll run it on the RCP track and see if we have to make any adjustments like we had to do to its sister vehicle, the Micro-B. So that's all, folks, right now. Just a quick unboxing of the new Losi Micro-T. Thanks for watching. So after a quick run on the track, I realized that I need to adjust the steering endpoints like we did with the Micro-B. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you're going to need to do is have the vehicle on a stand, have it opened and ready. The transmitter. So what you're going to do is push full brake, full right, and then power it on. You can see the light flashing. Release everything. The expo knob, if you turn it while you put the steering into the position you want to adjust, so we're going to adjust the right end point, and then you turn the knob, you can see you're adjusting. So we're just going to adjust it so that this servo is at its max and the wheels stop turning. So right about there. So we let go. Power off the transmitter, and the right endpoint is set. So we're going to repeat for the left. Full brake, full right, power it on. The light was flashing. Now we're going to adjust the left endpoint. So we turn it all the way to the left. Adjust the dial the same way we did. All right, and we power it off, and it is set. So now we power it back on. We got our right and left endpoint adjusted. You don't hear any servo strain or noise, and we're good to go. Back out on the track.